So I get a lot of brewers, a lot of brewer friends coming from everywhere. People I've met and knew, didn't know. But it's funny how many people I think, to me, they kind of like how I did hang my hoses up here to keep them completely drained. A lot of people later hoses across fermenter doors, and they'll have droops in them as they're drooping across the fermenters. Well, in my mind, you got a droopy spot, there's going to be water set there, and if you're not brewing over the weekend, now you got a chance for mold to get going. So I always, even when I was home brewing, did it this way. Hang these hoses up on the walls, loop them. There's nowhere for water to set. They hang down a droop. And I come up with this boat, winch, drill, motor, horrible system. It actually picks the hose all the way up, keeps it drained out all the time, keeps those clean, dry. No mold could get in, hopefully. It won't have standing water in it. And to find out more about fixing stuff in a brewery, click on the link below.